Welcome to our tutorial on how to mute hashtags from your notifications on Twitter using your PC. Follow these simple steps to customize your Twitter experience and manage the content you receive in your notifications. To begin, click on More from the side navigation menu, then select Settings and Privacy. Next, navigate to the Privacy and Safety tab and click on Mute and Block. Within the Mute and Block settings, find and click on Muted Words. Click on the plus icon to add a new muted word. Enter the hashtag you wish to mute and then choose Notifications to specify where the mute will apply. Select from anyone to specify that the muted hashtag applies to notifications from any user. Under Mute Timing, select the duration for the mute, forever, 24 hours from now, 7 days from now, or 30 days from now. Once you've made your selections, click on Save to apply the mute settings. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage the content you receive in your notifications by muting specific hashtags. Enjoy a more tailored and personalized Twitter experience by controlling the notifications you receive. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Stay tuned for more tips and guides on how to make the most out of your social media experience on Twitter.